Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent-in-place specialist and a master instructor. When it comes to making improvements for our clients, there are wants and there are needs. Sometimes we can do both, but if it comes down to only being able to do one, let's do the need. Let me contrast those for you. We might want something. Let's say we want a new car. The one we've been driving, we're a little tired of it. It's getting some extra miles on it. We need new tires. It needs this. It needs that. We decide that we want a new car. Don't have to have it because the car we have is still working, but we want a new car. On the other hand, let's say that our car was damaged in a storm, somebody ran into it, something fell on it, and it is going to take a lot of money to repair it, or maybe it's totaled by the insurance company. Therefore, we need a new car. Want, desire, need is more urgent. So someone might have a need in their home. They need to use their bathing facilities more efficiently, more safely. They might want a newer kitchen. So as we evaluate someone's living space, let's look at wants versus needs. And a want may be irrespective of budget, just what they'd like to have. A need, on the other hand, might come down to budget. I need this, but I'm not sure if I can afford to do it the way I'd like to have it done. So we can be creative in looking at that as well. But need is something that is fairly urgent, that is going to impact the lifestyle and the safety and the comfort of our client, whereas a desire or a want is going to nurture them, but it's not something that they have to have immediately. So this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.